Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Litecoin is about to break another ascending triangle on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a daily time frame chart, then this was the ascending triangle. And you can see that right now we have just broken out the resistance of this ascending triangle. And at the same time, the price has also broken out this up channel as well. And in fact, we found the support and resistance of this triangle and this channel when it was moving inside this previous down channel on this same daily time frame chart. You can see that previously it was moving inside this channel, but after the breakout from this channel, the price then got rejected by this resistance of the triangle. By the way, we had this resistance of the triangle approximately at $76.70. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that in the month of November 2022, we broke out the resistance, but after the breakout, so far the price is not able to break out this key resistance of $100. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared a few days ago on 5th of November 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 24% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared a few days ago on 5th of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish vertical pattern that Litecoin completed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade signal buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far it has pumped almost 24%. And before that, we caught almost 21% pump. And this move I shared in the previous month on 2nd of October 2024. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Litecoin formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade signal for this setup buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very, very nice reversal and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And before that, we caught almost 18% pump. And this move I shared in the month of September, 9th of September 2024 with my members. And this was another harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Litecoin completed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Litecoin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that the price was moving inside an ascending triangle. This was the ascending triangle, this one. Here we had the resistance at $76.70, and this was the uptrend line support. And the same uptrend line support was also working as a support of this up channel as well. And right now you can see that we have broken out a crisscross of the two resistance levels. We have broken out the resistance of the triangle along with the resistance of this channel as well. And now if we take a look at the targets for these breakouts, then target for the breakout from the sub channel can be here. That will be approximately at $91.86, almost at $92. And the target for the breakout from this ascending triangle will be here. That will be approximately at $105. And if the price then reaches here, then it can also hit this quite long-term uptrend line resistance as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line resistance was previously breaking as a support here, and after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. Here it had been breaking as a resistance, and after the breakdown, again, it was flipped into resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Litecoin. Along with that, we will also need to, but even before that, we will need to break out this key resistance of $100 as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and before that, it has been breaking as support here and support here as well. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge. that will be somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.